Hello guys, and welcome back to Redtron channel on YouTube. So in today's video I'm going to actually show you how you could actually exchange your Binance coin into a real money into your Skrill account. So I have the Binance account in here, and I have my USDT about $68, and I want to simply exchange the money into my Skrill account. So in order to do that, there is no other option. You can see that when you click on the coin, the currency, it actually show the withdraw or deposit, but you could not withdraw it into anywhere. You could not deposit it in anywhere. It would be a very complex and messy stuff to do. So the very simple way to do is to actually sell the coin, sell the USDT that you have. So for example, in here, when you launch on the user interface, you would see something like this. Actually using the Binance Lite, not the Binance Pro or something like that, because it's very simple to use. So now when you open the application, you would see such an interface like that, and there is actually an arrow button at the downside in the middle one with the yellow color. Press on that and you will see the word sell. So now you're gonna click on sell, and you're gonna select the one that you are currently have and you want to sell it. For example, I'm having the USDT, the tether US, so I'm gonna click on USDT, and I'm going to select max because I want to sell all the coin to my preferred buyer, whoever want to buy the USDT. Okay, so now once I press on max, it will show up the entire amount I have, and then I'm gonna press on sell USDT. So when I press on sell USDT, I'm having an option whether to select pay by PayPal, AirTM, or Skrill account. So now in here I'm going to choose on Skrill. I'm going to press on Skrill. So you can see at the left corner, the downside left corner, you will see the amount that I'm going to receive. So if you're familiar with that, if you're okay with the amount of money you want to sell, you can press on confirm. So I'm going to click on confirm. So when I'm clicking on confirm right now, it will actually proceed the payment and looking for whoever want to buy my USDT. So in here there will be someone who click on buy. So all we have to do now is just to wait. So when we have someone who ever want to buy the USDT, they will transfer the amount of money, the $66.64, into my Skrill account. So this is actually a very simple step in order to sell your USDT to actually having the real money inside your hand. So from that into Skrill account, if you want to actually withdraw it into your bank or something like that, you can just simply simply withdraw from your Skrill into your credit card or your bank account or something like that. So this is a very simple step and very simple way. Or if you having a friend who ever have the money and wanted to buy the USDT, you just simply transfer the coin that you have into your friend address in order to let them transfer the real money into your bank account. This is the other option, but for me, I'm doing right now because I have no one to contact with to buy. So I'm randomly sell the USDT that I have and looking for an exchange back in a Skrill account money. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you will find this video very useful for you. And this is also to be noticed that this is just an educational video only. It is not any trading advisor or any kind of purpose. It is served only for educational purpose only. So thank you guys for watching, and see you again in the next video. Bye for now.